Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to connect your Twitch account with League of Legends. This is going to be a nice, quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do everything. Let's jump right into this. So the first thing we need to do is have your Twitch website open and you're going to have to be logged into your account. In this case, both of these things are available for me right now. Once you have Twitch loaded up, we're going to be coming up to the top right and we're going to be clicking on our profile right here. And then we're going to be scrolling down until we see the settings option and we're going to be clicking that open. Once your settings opens up, we should be brought to our profile section at first. But what we're going to be looking for is the connections tab here, just next to recommendations. If we click this open, we'll be able to see all current connections with our Twitch account. In this case, I already have Amazon and Blizzard connected, but here you'll also have extra options for Steam, Twitter, and Riot Games. In this case, we're looking for Riot Games right here. From this point, all you need to do is click the connect option, and then you're going to have to log into your League of Legends account. Once you've entered your username and password, you'll then be brought to the authorize screen. From this point, all you need to do is click authorize right here, and then your Riot Games account will be linked with your Twitch account. Anyway guys, it's as easy as that to connect your Riot Games account or your League of Legends account with Twitch. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. Until next time guys, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.